Every day I eat only raw carrots, Rabbit said to herself. I am tired of raw carrots. What can I do to make this better? That afternoon, she went to farmer's house and saw a pot boiling over the fire. Just as she started to have an idea, the farmer's dog came barking after her. Hmm, thought Rabbit. What should I do now? Rabbit tried leaving the carrots in the sun, but the carrots remained just as raw as before. Then she tried putting them in the fire. When she tasted them, they were bitter. She thought and thought and thought about what to do. Finally, she had an idea. First, she found an old tortoise shell. Then, she collected some sticks and three stones. Hooray! Rabbit finally had a way to cook her carrots. She was so excited that she invited all her friends, and they all had a meal of delicious cooked carrots.